What's the value of my Uber accident claim? As a Los Angeles personal injury attorney, this is one of the questions I get quite often. The value of any claim, you have to have three components: liability, damages, and a pocket to collect from. When you're a passenger in an Uber, liability is going to be a fairly certain thing because it's either going to be the fault of the Uber driver or the fault of any person that hit the Uber driver, or a combination of the two. So that's usually a given. Damages really comes down to how significant your injuries are, whether they required you to go to the hospital, whether you needed surgery, did you have broken bones, the severity of the injury, the extent of the injury, the length of time that you needed to treat. All those things go into the damages component. And then insurance, the way insurance works on an Uber claim is that the Uber driver has a basic policy, which is usually $15,000. So that's not much. But there's supplemental insurance, excess insurance of $1 million with Uber, as long as the driver was using the app and you were an active passenger on the app at the time of the incident. If a third party hits the Uber driver, they will usually also have insurance coverage, and those policies vary from $15,000 upwards of $250,000 or more, just depending upon how much insurance that driver had. But again, if they had limited insurance and your damages are in excess of that, then the Uber supplemental $1 million coverage would come into play. So the bottom line is there's usually plenty of coverage on these cases, and so you should definitely get all the treatment that you need, get diagnosed, get if you need surgery, get that done. If you need physical therapy, do as many sessions as are necessary. Follow your doctor's instructions, obviously, but don't hesitate to treat and fully diagnose and treat your injuries on these Uber cases. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you need any help on an Uber case, obviously call us at 866-966-5240, or visit us on the web at victimslawyer.com. We've got a lot of good articles on Uber accident cases. Thanks.